Rentio Toor Dal Recipes. I'm Chef Shivani Mehta. Today's recipe is Bengali dal, but we are going to make it with little twist in it. We are going to use combination of chana dal and toor dal along with mild flavor of coconut, ghee and assortment of whole spices. You can serve this flavorful dal along with steamed rice or just plain chapati. I hope you like the recipe a lot. Don't forget to share, follow and like our social media pages of Rentio Toor Dal. Thank you.